Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Hangar is to airplane. Garage is to blank. A, steak. B, runway. C, oil. D, automobile. The correct answer is letter D, automobile. A hangar houses an airplane and a garage houses an automobile. Ramp is to highway. Blank is to house. A, traffic. B, head. C, door. D, speed. The correct answer is letter C, door. You enter and exit a highway by a ramp and you enter and exit a house by a door. Fleet is to trucks. Blank is to teachers. A, apple. B, student. C, book. D, faculty. The correct answer is letter D, faculty. A fleet is a group of trucks and a faculty is a group of teachers. Dog is to kennel. Bird is to blank. A, fly. B, feather. C, airy. D, eagle. The correct answer is letter C, airy. A kennel houses dogs and an airy houses birds. Hint is to blank. Whisper is to shout. A, demand. B, point. C, surprise. D, secret. The correct answer is letter A, demand. To hint is to ask subtly and to demand is to ask insistently. And whisper is to talk quietly and to shout is to talk loudly. Secret is to furtive, audible is to blank. A, resonant. B, nap. C, sack. D, ring. The correct answer is letter A, resonant. Furtive is more intensely secret and resonant is more intensely audible. Blank is to assistant, administrator is to teacher. A, office. B, school. C, executive. D, campus. The correct answer is letter C, executive. An executive manages an assistant and an administrator manages a teacher. Algebra is to calculus. Blank is to surgery. A, anatomy. B, knife. C, doctor. D, hospital. The correct answer is letter A, anatomy. Algebra is a prerequisite for calculus and anatomy is a prerequisite for surgery. Blank is to peace, lion is to courage. A, war. B, brave. C, dove. D, cub. The correct answer is letter C, dove. A dove is a symbol of peace and a lion is a symbol of courage. Scientist is to experiment. Blank is to play. A, beaker. B, rehearsal. C, actor. D, lab. The correct answer is letter C, actor. A scientist performs an experiment and an actor performs a play. Did you get perfect?